So you might be in a position where for some reason the ultrawide camera effect on Snapchat is missing. So you can see right here, I finally got it. If I go ahead and swipe to the side right here, if I go and click on the ultrawide camera, I now have access to my ultrawide lens, which is cool. So if it's missing for you, as you can see, I can utilize here. If it is missing for you, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just understanding that it's coming out in a rolling out basis. So it's not going to be available for everyone at the same time. So I didn't get it when other people have gotten it. So it's a very sad thing, it's very annoying, but as long as you look to the side panel right here, you should be able to see it at some point. So like I said, it may not be available right now, but just keep your eye on it for the most part. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing to kind of alleviate this and fix this is by going inside of your app store, just like this, and searching up, basically just search up Snapchat. So go and click up here, type in Snapchat just like this, and all you want to do is go and update that application. So not Snapseed, you're going to do Snapchat. And at this point, what you can do is just make sure you're up to date on the latest version of Snapchat. If you're on, like I said before, a very outdated version of Snapchat, that will probably end up being the problem. So just update your version of Snapchat, and that could end up fixing the situation here. Now, let's say that doesn't end up fixing the situation either. Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is just going through and going into Snapchat right here and clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Now, you might be able to see that there's going to be a little ultrawide option here. So maybe you overlooked it, or maybe you couldn't see the specific icon. So scroll down over here, and you might be able to see ultrawide here. Now, there can be some times where it might not show up. So just go and click the plus button here, and it'll automatically add that specific option there too. So again, it's not a guarantee, but it's another thing you can try taking a look at, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. Now, let's say that doesn't end up working. Well, you can try manually getting into that ultrawide camera by going through, using your two fingers, and swiping up just like this. So you can go and just like how I did it, use your two fingers like this, swipe up, and you might see that ultrawide lens come up as well. And if that still doesn't work, the other thing you may want to make sure is that your phone has an ultrawide camera. If your phone does not have an ultrawide camera, you will not be able to use that ultrawide effect. So if you have a single camera, or if you have only a telephoto lens, well then that's not going to work, and you will need an ultrawide camera to do this. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.